Good morning, traders. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. We are live. Today is November 10th, 2023. Hope everyone's doing well. As always, this is pure entertainment. We're not liable for any losses or damage to anyone's account. If you follow any of our trades, you're doing so at your own risk. All right. Decided to go and start early because I've been already on the trade in an hour, and I would have reached target already, but it looks like it's about to pop. So I would say if it gets back to anywhere inside of this hot box here, that this could be an entry. And if I was to re-enter and add, I would have to make sure that my stop would be under 70, and you already see my target. So this is my second trade. I took a short at the opening. I thought that we were going for a gap closure. I had a soft target. I exited that, and then I went long here, and I almost got stopped out here, and then finally started to go my way. But I thought that we would have reached 77 half hour ago. So there's probably an opportunity. Okay. Or maybe could even go in now. Oh, not a recommendation, just a opinion. Maybe I would have gone long also at 91. I would have had a stop at 80 because now it's starting to look like buyers have just stepped in. And obviously my first target, but it could stop at 05. So have several targets here. 05, where I'm at here, and then my next one. I'm going to go ahead and raise this one here to 17. So yeah, I would have, so this here would have been my second entry. Look with this pop here that is ready to go. A whole bunch of icebergs went off, but high risk because you're buying at the top. Market is making new highs, but there is a clear pattern here of higher lows. Higher lows, higher lows. So yeah, first obstacle will be 77.06. If we could hot knife that, I think that we will get to take me out. Actually, I'm gonna reduce here. I'm gonna to 14. I don't want to be greedy, so I want to be first in line. All right, let's see if we can get a second pop here. Yeah, for a second I thought I had turned on me, and I go, oh man, I'm gonna give back. And then with this momentum move right after, I go, okay, all right. And then pulled back, found a lot of buyers again, momentum again, and that's when I decided to go and write you guys, because there could be a opportunity of a extension. So it could even go all the way up to 77.50. If you guys recall, talked about revisiting 78. Don't know if it's in the books today. Friday is all about geopolitical these days. So again, I said it yesterday. If you have no business trading today, don't trade, because Fridays have been a huge challenge. Right, we have POC right at 85, so 85 needs to hold, and then we have, oh, it just moved up with this little It just moved up a tiny bit, but it's starting to look like it wants to turn into support, so it could do a inside out. Another iceberg 100. We have VWAP at 72, so right at the bottom of this hot box. So we just don't want to start breaking this area here. So far momentum is even, a little more to the upside, but market is positive. It was halted 3 times trying to close the gap. Looks like the upper part of this consolidation area is holding. All right, so there's a battle of POC. A lot of trades is taking place here. It went down and back up again. So it went down to previous 85, and now it's up again at 91. So something big is going to happen here. If I get stopped out, I may go to MCL. Already took a withdrawal yesterday, so I already paid myself for the week. Don't want to have a loss today. Come on, hold. Let's go. Launch. Yeah, right here, I got scared. Right here. Twice tried to attempt to make a new high, and it failed. Came back down, almost took me out. Oh no, this is my short. It was here. Right here. Right there. Tried to make new highs and failed. Came back down, almost took me out. I was like, oh man, that's not the kind of Friday I want to have. And I started digging into my profits. I was like, oh. All right. POC moved down again. It's at 85. So it is perfect for price discovery at the top because POC is all the way up. So inside out all the way up. But in a profile, we do have a P. So P's are usually tendency to come down, but with POC up, there's a huge chance that it's just going to pop. So long all first obstacle. Target right there. And then hopefully a runner to get me out. Only thing that's a little scary is that they may want to go and tag the bookmap VWAP at 74. All right, another hidden order. Looks like it's going to be a small iceberg. That's at 85. So we already had 290 icebergs hit at 98. Then we had one at 100 at 86. Oh, this is going to be 100. All right, 70 filled already. So most likely is another 100. Now they lowered it to 0.82. It's 100. Okay, 100 filled. So it's at that again. We have these strategic icebergs. Are they trying to hold 77, or is this what they need to launch? So as of now, looks like it's doing a poor job, but it could be a trap, and the icebergs is the clue that we're gonna pop. Now we don't want to see the market under 70. If it goes under 70, it may try to tag mid 40s and 50. It may want to tag this area here. So it needs to stay above 75. Come on, buyers, get in there. All right. They're front running the VWAP. That is a good sign. I want to see it go above 90, above these icebergs. Come on, buyers. Get in there. Let's go. All right. Here comes some buying. Well, got absorbed. Now here comes buying again. Come on, let's go. Launch. Here we go. Yeah, a lot of indecision. Yeah, it looks like a lot of traders are trying to position themselves. Yeah, we talk about this every Friday now. You gotta make sure that you're in the right position so you don't get hurt in case it opens up with a huge gap on Sunday. Right, we're also at the regular VWAP, so I want to get above those icebergs, above POC at 85. Oh, all right. All right, it's going to take me out. All right, I'm going to give myself a little more chance here, but I think it's going to go all the way down to 50. Oh, man. Yeah, we just had a huge sell order. Bummer. All right. We may have to yeah. All right. That is momentum. Look at that. Huge sell order. So they fooled me. They tricked me. Those icebergs can still be buy. This could be a vacuum. Right? You put a big order. Market goes out of balance. So it has to fill in the vacuum, which makes it go the opposite way. All right. Well, that sucks. I gave back. I didn't give back, but I left a lot of money on the table. Huh? 70 ticks. Not 70 ticks, 30 ticks. Yeah, it tricked me. I'll be pissed if it bounces now. Yeah, maybe that was the clue that I was taking so long to reach 77. But still looking like it's a buy market. I'll just probably too tight. As you guys see, this is very unusual. Makes a move and then it slows down. I mean, it should still be pretty volatile. Yeah, and here comes the buyers. That was probably a stop pick. Yeah, huge buy order. Oh, man. Yeah, if this area doesn't hold, it's going to go to target. Huh. Yeah, they picked me. Ah, bummer. But I can't be upset. I followed my rules. Don't want to give any money back. I don't want to go negative. So, and there it is. They're buying. That's a lot of momentum. So first target will be that 05. And then 17. That sucks. They picked me right out. What was that, $1,000? I think it was $1,000. Oh, shit. Oh, well. Now I want to make sure that I don't go on tilt, right? Psychology time. Can't cry over spilled milk. Don't want to act like I lost money. I didn't lose any money. I just didn't make any money. So I need to be very careful how I start to think about things. I don't want to start thinking, oh, I need to remake that $1,000, because then you start to put pressure and you start to create what you think it's opportunities when you're not seeing anything, but your mind is like, oh, you could have just had $1,000. So very crucial to keep my cool. Don't go and tilt. All right, I'm going to test this out. Let's see. I'm going to go for a single lot here, right at the top. Let's go. Let's see if it launches. So I'm risking $100 to make 270. So went right back into supply and demand area, our hot box. Now want to extend out, outside in, discover new prices, start making new highs. And this will be my last attempt at a long, because this is a poor job of making a new high, right? Sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure. So there's so much time that we could spend up here without making a new high, because otherwise buyers will get exhausted. They keep buying and sellers keep taking their orders and selling more. Eventually, the buyers will start to puke their orders and exit. Come on, let's go. So there's a lot of interest at 77.20, but it's all retail or small lot. But there's a lot of interest at 77. There's about 70 orders, and it looks like 60 is one single player. So let's see if they spoof it or not. I want to see at least 45 to 50 contracts go through at 77 even. So not every order, just because it's above the price, is a sell, right? It could be someone who wants to initiate a trade above a level. He's waiting for confirmation that the market is going to go up there, and then he's trying to pop momentum for the market to keep going. All right, hidden order, iceberg at 8.86. Looks like it's going to be a small one. Oh no, maybe a 50. Looks like it's going to be a 50 lot iceberg. So far, 30. Or I'm going to give myself a little more room here just in case it creates a little vacuum. Oh no, it was just 30. Again, if it takes me out, I'm going to have to rethink these longs. If we go back to 70, then for sure we are done, and market is rejecting 77. I'm tempted to add 2 more, but it's just such a poor job here that I just can't. All right, there are no reports coming out, nothing to worry about except for geopolitical news. That is the only thing that can affect this market today. Yeah, so far the RTH is a very balanced profile. ETH, it's looking more like a P. So a P, it means that it wants to go back down and fill the bottom, right? So it makes a full bell. And a B is the opposite. I don't want to see a test of VWAP again. It's at 74. So we need to go and pop. Yeah, it's starting to look like a trap, but I don't want to add anymore. Or maybe I'm gonna go and just raise my target. Here we go. I think I'm gonna raise my target. Yeah, here comes a lot of buying now. I think I'm gonna raise my target. If I can make another 500 bucks, I'll be happy. Let's see. Yeah, 77.84 is pretty hot. Don't want to be greedy though, and with one contract only. If I'm wrong. Yeah, and there it is. First target, right on it, 77.05. Bullseye. Yeah, I shouldn't have been so tight, but it is Friday, and I want to make sure that I don't give back any of my profits of the week. I already took a withdrawal, so I need to follow my rules. Look at that, right on the nose. Bullseye. All right. Ugh. Don't want to be greedy, but I think I'm going to move this. There'll definitely be sellers at... right at 15. All right. Hope I'm not being greedy here. So risking 110 to make 450. So it could all end here too. It could all end here. Look at that sell pressure. Needs to find support inside of this hot box to launch again. We don't want to see an 83. I want to see them front run POC, start buying before it even gets close to POC, which is at 85. Need buyers to step in. Otherwise, they may want to come down and test 73. So if it can't hold, it's going to come down and test 73, go right through, or it may find support again because it's still a higher low, right? As long as it doesn't kill this higher low of 62, we're still trending up. So first it needs to hold 83, and then if it takes out 62, then we're probably on a downward trend. Yeah, very sluggish here. No one wants to take a position. Again, Friday, war. Everyone is afraid to commit. They want to see other traders jump in, so then it creates momentum and everyone is right. Looks like no one is trying to move or manipulate the market in their own. They're okay. If you go, I go. If you go, I go. And look at the other markets are starting to go south too. The ES just lost what is that, 15 points? That looks like all of the other indexes are going south. Doesn't usually affect crude. Yeah, the only thing that correlates with crude is the dollar. Not always, but it's the dollar. If you want to watch a chart, another instrument for correlation is the dollar, because you need dollar to buy oil, right? So either it's the complete opposite or they are correlating. Yeah, this is very sluggish. Right, so it could all stop at 18. Anywhere in this area here, it could all stop and pull back and test. $77 again. Maybe we could even reach it. I mean, it's doing a really poor job. So it went from, what did it do? It did, 5 ticks new high is not bad. It was a 6. 6 ticks is not, that's a good new high. But it's just, as we see, it's not maintaining. It's not. You want to keep seeing it. Reload. Machine gun. Reload. Machine gun. When it's discovering prices, you don't want to see a stall. You want to see it rip, 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 rip. If it has to pull back and find new buyers, that is not a good sign. So I'm starting to get scared. I mean, only $100. I don't mind giving that back, but smart money would move stop up. I should be at 87. I should be at 87. Because it could be rejecting 77. We saw that yesterday. It rejected, what was it? It was 77 also, right? Yeah, it was 77. Yesterday's high was 15. So here we are again. So either this is all bluff, they're faking us out and it's gonna pop, or it's really rejecting 77 for the second time. I mean, I'm on the buy side. I'm seeing signs, and they're probably just trying to fake us out. But on Monday, it rejected that 82. So, but that's all the way up there. It's not. Here we go. Here comes the buyers. Oh, and they got absorbed. Yeah, I'm gonna move. Could be a mistake, but yeah, I want to see this move already. So now I'm risking $40 to make, what is it, 450. So we still have an open gap going all the way down to 75.73. Come on, hold. So on the downside, I had several targets. I have 76.27. I have 76.16, 07, 76 even, and then the gap. Bummer. The gap closure at 75.73. So I have more targets to the downside than stronger targets to the downside than I do going up. But it looks like we're trending up. I can't deny this. This is a clue. So either it is rejecting. That's a big sell order. All right. So very poor job of a follow through, right? Look at all of this sell pressure. All right, I am done looking at longs. If it goes, it goes, and I was just too tight. Which nothing's wrong with being tight as long as you're following your rules and you're not being tight because you're afraid of losing money. I'm not afraid of losing money. I'm just it's not doing what I want it to do. Yeah. So I mean here it could have went right through and tagged 50. So I did the right thing of letting myself get stopped out, because that was momentum, right? And here we are again testing POC. All right. With this last move up, yeah, momentum is still even though we're up 1.23 ticks, $1.21. There's no clear winner here. Yeah, challenging day. I said it yesterday. If you have no business trading today, you shouldn't trade. All right, I'm gonna take one more trade, and it's gonna be again. I'll do a two lot. Anything more than, I'll go to zero, and I don't want that. I mean, liquidity is not bad, volume is not bad, but just no commitment. And I did mention that it could all stop at 77.05, and now the high is 06. So there's 60 orders waiting at 77. Looks like 50 is one big lot trader. So are they trying to block 77? Yeah, even the delta is low. And we are completely in value, right? Let's look at a daily real quick. Look at that. Yesterday in value. What does it mean? It means that we are trading within the previous day trading area range. So these are the worst days to trade, because you don't know where the outside is. So we need to either pop or anchors away. So on Sunday, If we're going down, I want to see the market. I would like to see it open under 76. And if we're going up, I want to see it maintain 77. I want to see today's close be up above 77. But I don't think we'll open 2 points down or a point and a half down. We might open 70 or 80 on Monday. So hold 76, close under 77 overnight, tagging at least 75 on Sunday. We don't want to see another inside range on Monday. We need to see a pop. That's my personal opinion. All right, so we're starting to kill the higher highs. Higher lows. If we take this one out, chances are that we may have changed the trend and we're going to go and test the low. So this hot box needs to hold. Yeah. Very weak job. And here we are under POC, under VWAP, testing 70 again. So rejecting 77. All right, guys, we'll do an hour and a half this morning. I'll go another 40 minutes here. It's amazing how time flies when you're trading, huh? Even though you're looking at 2-minute candles, you barely even notice that we were 10 minutes ago, we were here talking about this, right? Or more than 10 minutes. It's incredible. Time just flies. This here could be a selling opportunity, but nothing is clear now. Oops. This could be a selling opportunity. Maybe it will do a wave 2 up. So we still have unfinished business at 38. My shorts that I took, I had a soft target at 38, and it stopped where? Where did it stop? 43. Where did I exit? I exited. Where did I exit? I exited right there. 49. Yeah. As soon as I saw that big bar there, I exited. Is that 49? Can't see. Yeah. I cleared 56. Then I cleared at 49. Yeah. But as soon as I saw this, there was a big buy order on Bookmap, and I said, I better get out. It looks like it doesn't want to go any further down. And I raised my exit and got out. But I should have cleared some up here on my long. That was a mistake. But again, I'm following my rules. It's, showing the uptrend. All right, so again, there could be a sell somewhere here, but nothing is clear. Nothing is clear. This could be a trap. Yeah, if you're up, take your money and run, because it's not going to be an easy day. And if you're only a little bit negative, maybe it's a good idea also to take your money and run. Just take the loss, because they are trapping. All right, so for longs, you want to see it above 90, and then obviously start to kill these lower highs. And we failed to go and kill this higher low here with a big buy order. So if it can't hold 90, this could be a wave C up, right? A, B, C, or even turn into a wave 3 and go to target. Yeah, so actually a little bit higher. So anywhere in here could initiate a short. So if I see any order flow coming through on Bookmap, I may take a short. So now we went right through VWAP at 76. Stalled a little bit here at POC, which is at 85. But sellers are starting to come in. Surprised we haven't had one geo news out of the Middle East. 0. Last one was at 5 a.m. All right, I'm going to take a short. High risk trade. All of this could all be a trap. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. And this will be my last trade if I get stopped out. So I'm going for a small little ABC here, first target, and then just a extension runner. But true target, I would go for 48. But again, this trade here is, we're right at the middle. Come on, get me out. Go, go, go. Come on, risk off. Go, go, go. Come on, sellers. They went right through VWAP. Come on, go, go, go. Give me, come on. I'm going to raise my first exit a little bit here. 67. Come on, sellers. Here we go. Here comes some selling. It's going to hit me. Go, go, go. Oh. Buyers are trying to come in here. Right at 70. Come on, give me that money back. Let's go. Here we go. Come on, hot knife right through that 70. Come on. Thing's gonna go. Thing's gonna go. Ugh, absorption. Come on, sellers. Let's go. I think it's gonna go now. Here it is. Come on, one big swoop. Let's go. Yeah, there's a little battle going on here. Come on, get me out. Get me out. Buyers coming in. So it could do the opposite, and it could be an ABC up, and it'll take me right out. Right? So A, B, C up, or even turn. Again, this could be also a 5-wave pattern inside of this wave too. Remember? 1, 2, 3 up. In a really small time frame. Yeah. So high risk trade right in the middle, and it's gonna take me out. All right, that's it. All right, guys, I'm done trading. Looks like I got trapped. Big buy order, huge buy order actually. 400 contracts just went through. So I got trapped. All right, I'm still profitable. So this could be a start of a C or a wave 3 all the way to target. All right, I'll hang around a little bit more, but I'm done taking trades. It is just not clear enough. They're setting traps, and I don't want to go negative. Man, it almost got me out, huh? Would have been nice to at least risk off one contract. And here we are all the way at 70 again. So it was all a trap. All a trap. So want to see a violent new high. Hit that 17 or 18 right away. It could all stop again anywhere between 18 and 15. So this here is all resistance. Yeah, I got trapped big time. Yeah, so on a RTH volume profile, nice little bell. They bought the bottom outside in. Now we're all the way at the top again. That bottom area is the high 60s. Top is 77. But if we can't make new highs, chances are that we are going down, because on a ETH profile, it's a P. So P's are price discovery on the downside. B's are price discovery on the upside. It wants to extend that leg. Let's see. Violent new high. At least. All right. 4 ticks. Has to go back again. Do another 4 ticks. We don't want to see it go down under 77. Needs to keep ripping, ripping, ripping. Yeah. I mean, it's all there. I'm the one who's being tight, so I can't complain, but yeah. Look at that. It's the market is giving clues. I'm the one that's being skittish, so can't complain. I should have just stayed in my original trade and said, okay, I'm going to commit to this trade. And I should have had my stop where originally was at 60. And so it's my fault that I got scared out of my own trade for being skittish. So I cannot cry over spilled milk. This geopolitical now that just hit at 05. So that could have been it. This move here. What is it? Japanese government is considering enhancing export controls targeting technologies. No, that's not war. That's something else. All right, so six ticks into a new high. Now, this new one, sell pressure. We don't want to see it come back down into this hot box. Got a fly flying around. Oh, it is military news. I didn't read the whole thing. So it says Japanese government is considering enhancing export controls targeting technologies that could be used for military purposes. Following report is tech is being used for China's nuclear weapon program, according to Nikkei. So anything that's to do with war, I believe it affects oil, right? Because you need oil to go to war. You gotta fill. It's not the same oil, but it's still oil. And that was at 8:05. This move was at 8:06. That could have been it. So maybe I got stopped out because of Geo. Yeah, very choppy day. But the trend is up. I almost called off this morning. Almost said, nah, I don't think I'm going to trade. Had a feeling it was not, you should always follow your gut feeling. Something tells maybe you shouldn't trade. Don't trade, because you do have a second brain in your stomach. All those microbes, it does affect your overall being. So follow your gut feeling. Something is telling you know what, I don't feel it today. Don't trade. Don't trade. Because chances are that you're right. Or at least one big hit and run. Take your profits and run. And that's what I should have done. I should have either stopped or switched to MCL. Right. Hotbox found buyers. There could be an extension here. So it could pop from here. But buying at the high. So, but that's buying pressure. Came all the way inside the hot box. If 90 holds, it's It's going to pop out of 77. First target would be that 18. And then it might even go to that 31 area. So this could be a very... So 1, 2, 3, 4 finds support, launch, finishes a wave 5 inside of a wave 2. I'm tempted to take a trade. All right, I'm going to take a trade. Last trade. Hope I'm not making a mistake here, but let's go. Let's see if I could just make some of this money back. Come on, launch. Let's go. If it gets me out, I'm done. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Let's go. So not the best risk versus reward. I should split this and have one at 31. But I just want out. I just want to make my original profits back, and I'm done. Come on, buyers. Let's go. If it takes me out, I'll still be positive $100. I'll scratch the day. I'll pay for commission and scratch. Looks like the streaming has dropped a little bit. Looks like quality is down a little bit. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. Look at ES. What a comeback. Wow. Up 25 points. 743. Was there? I don't think there was a report. What a turnaround. Wow. Last time I looked at it was what? Positive 4. 20 points. That's insane. That's a big move. Yeah, I'm going to be a little bit early here. I'm going to go for that original 15. So almost 1-to-1 here. Oh, come on. All right. If it takes me out, I'm done, guys. I'm gonna end the streaming. I'm gonna make myself one more tick here. 2 more ticks. Come on, bounce. Yeah, it's rejecting. Rejecting 77. Keeps finding sellers above 77. Oh no. All right, guys. Oh, tough day. Well, you can't have every day a winner. Well, it won't be a loser. I'm still. So, just won't be a big profit day. Yeah, I'm done, guys. Paid for commission. All right. Done. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great weekend. Yeah, that's pretty sideways. Be careful. Rejecting 77. It could still be a trap. Trapping sellers, but it is not smooth. It's not flowing. So, and if we look at yesterday really quick, yesterday, what was yesterday? Where is it? I mean, look at yesterday. Rejected, came all the way back down. So, I am surprised that we are up here after this huge sell off. So maybe it is really rejecting, and we're not going to see 78 until next week, or we are back on our way down. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great rest of your day.